So today we are going to talk about the different types of estimates. First, preliminary estimate, plinth area estimate, cube rate or cubical content estimate, approximate quantity method estimate, detailed estimate or item rate estimate, revised estimate, supplementary estimate, supplementary and revised estimate. At last comes annual repair or maintenance estimate. Preliminary estimate. It is prepared by various ways for different structure as mentioned below. For buildings, it is classified on per unit basis, that is, per student for schools and hostels, per classroom for schools, per bed for hospitals, per seat for cinema, theatre halls, per tenement for residential buildings. Plinth area basis on cubic content basis and also on approximate quantity method. In case of roads and highways, this is based on per kilometer basis depending upon nature of road, width and thickness of metaling. In case of irrigation channels, it is based on per kilometer basis and on per hectare basis. Plinth area estimate. It is an approximate estimate. The plinth area should be calculated for covered area by taking external dimensions of the building at the floor level. Courtyard and other open area should not be included in this plinth area estimate. For multi-storied building, plinth area for each story is determined separately. Approximate total plinth area may be calculated by adding 30 to 40% of the already calculated area for walls and circulation and waste and so on. Plinth area rate is known from cost of similar building in the locality. Cube rate estimate. Cube rate estimate is again also an approximate estimate. Cubical content of the building is determined by multiplying the length, breadth and the height of the building. External length and breadth at the floor level are calculated for the particular purpose. Height should be taken from the floor level to the extreme top of roof. So for multi-storied building, the height is taken from floor level of one story to top of the next higher floor. Cube rate estimate is more accurate as compared to the plinth area estimate. Approximate quantity method estimate. So, this particular approximate quantity method estimate, its structure is divided into two parts. First, foundation including the plinth level, and second, the part of superstructure. Here, the total length of walls is first found out. Then, to find the running meter rate of foundation, the approximate quantities of various items are being calculated per running meter. So, similarly, for the superstructure, approximate quantities of the brickwork, the roof, the flooring, etc. is calculated per running meter. Detailed estimate. So, this particular detailed estimate is the accurate estimate prepared by working out quantities of each items of the particular work. It is being prepared in two stages. First, details of measurements and calculation of the quantities. Second, the abstract of the estimated cost varies from 3 to 5% of the total estimated cost is being added to the cover miscellaneous expenditure. This detailed estimate is prepared according to the work wise. The detailed estimate consists of report of the work, general specifications of the work, detailed specifications of the work, the drawings, the calculations and designs, and the rate analysis. The detailed estimate is being prepared for technical sanction, for arranging contract, and for execution of the particular project undertaken. Revised estimate. This revised estimate is prepared when original sanctioned estimate is likely to exceed more than 5%. When expenditure on work is likely to exceed amount of administrative sanction by more than 10%. When there are material deviation from original proposal, even though cost may be met from sanctioned cost. It is accompanied by comparative statement showing variations in each item of works and the reason for the particular. Supplementary estimate. The supplementary estimate is the fresh, detailed estimate of the extra additional works in addition to the original estimation done. It is required when further development is being required during the progress of the work undertaken. In case of this supplementary estimate, the abstract should show the amount of original estimation and the total amount including the supplementary amount. Supplementary and revised estimate. It is one of the most important estimation done. Here, when a work is partially abandoned and the estimated cost of the remaining work is less than 95% of the total original sanctioned estimate, this type of estimate is being done. When there are material deviations and changes in the design, this type of estimation is being proceeded. Here, if at any time of the work, before or during the execution of the particular work, it is found that the original estimate is excessive, then the divisional officer may sanction a revised estimate of the reduced amount of the total work undertaken. At last comes one of the most important estimation done in the project: annual repair or maintenance estimate. This type of estimate is being prepared to maintain the structure of the particular work undertaken in a proper sequential order and to make the conditions safe while executing the work. Now, for buildings like whitewashing, painting, and minor repairs, this type of estimation is being carried out. For roadworks, approximate estimate or the annual repair estimate provides for patch repairing, that is, repairs of bridges and culverts.